Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Elementor to your existing website. This is a powerful page builder that transforms how you design and customize your WordPress pages, giving you complete creative control without needing any coding knowledge. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens behind the scenes of your website. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find all your main menu options. Click on Plugins, then select Add Plugin from the drop-down menu. This section is your gateway to extending WordPress functionality with thousands of tools and features. Now, in the search field that appears at the top of the page, type Elementor. WordPress will instantly start filtering through available plugins to show you relevant results. You'll see Elementor Page Builder appear at the top of the search results. Go ahead and click Install now. This button will download and install the plugin directly to your WordPress site. The installation process usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient while it completes. After the installation finishes, you'll notice the button changes to Activate. Click on Activate to enable Elementor on your website. This step is crucial because installing alone won't make the plugin functional. You need to activate it to actually use its features. With Elementor now active, let's put it to work. Navigate to Pages in your left sidebar, then select Add Page. This creates a new blank page where you can start building your design from scratch. You'll be taken to the standard WordPress editor initially, but here's where Elementor comes in. Look for the blue Edit with Elementor button, typically located near the top of the editor. Click this button to launch the Elementor interface. What you'll see is a complete transformation of your editing experience. The left panel will populate with various widgets and design elements, while the right side shows a live preview of your page. From here, you can start building. The left panel contains all of Elementor's widgets, which are essentially building blocks for your page. For example, you can grab the image widget and drag it onto your page. Once placed, click Choose Image to either select from your media library or upload new files directly. This drag and drop functionality makes designing intuitive and visual. As you make changes and additions to your page, remember to save your work. Click the button beside the Publish button to save your changes. This ensures all your hard work is preserved and ready to go live when you're satisfied with the design. And there you have it. Elementor is now successfully integrated into your existing WordPress website, ready to help you create stunning pages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.